In this quick video, I will show you how to sell Arbitrum token step by step. So the first step is to choose what exchange or wallet you want. For this video, we are going to use Binance.com. So once you have logged in using your Binance account, you can just click here on the trade tab and then click Binance Convert. Click here and then type down Arbitrum. And you can also choose spot wallet or funding wallet by clicking here, so you can switch between two wallets. And then click here. You can choose either BUSD, USDC, or USDT. For example, we're going to use USDT. Click here and then type down the amount of Arbitrum we want to sell or convert. For example, 1000 Arbitrum. Click preview conversion and then you will receive this amount of USDT, but since I have insufficient balance, I will not be able to continue, but just click here once you have typed down the amount of Arbitrum you want to swap or convert. And then you can just go to your wallet if you want to check if you have received the USDT. And if you have any questions about how to sell Arbitrum token, leave a comment below.